Okay, so we're into the same day here. Moving all over the place today. Rick Arsenault here, Port Alberni fellow here. He's on Chad's 290. The other one I haven't filmed yet. Just prepping this quarry here. I was loading out of here in earlier times. Take another shot out of things here. There's Nitro 315 Cat, the hoe drill. What I'm running. Dropping up for the day. Absolutely gorgeous day up here. Say triple trouble.